What's up? Today I'm going to be going over the social status trap. It's a expensive watch. It's about $100 and it's obviously pretty cool. It's gold plated, but it actually is really heavy and the date doesn't say like the full date. It only says like the 11th, but like after a while that gets messed up because you can't change the month. So really, you might be paying more for something for status when it has a lower quality value. Take for example the Toyota Prius. It is viewed as a really sissy and gay car. It's actually rated the #1 car. So the car with the lowest social status is actually viewed as the best car. But what if you want to get a nice electric car or whatever, new, luxury, that's still okay as long as you can afford it. But it won't actually bring you happiness because you're still in a car and it's still the same exact experience you would get from any other car. And material possessions won't bring you happiness. As your social status increases, you will have less money in the bank and your financial status will decrease.